Me arm.
Don't worry about the show, Leo. You just get that arm fixed.
The school talent show is tomorrow. Mikey's band is going to play. It's Mikey's moment of glory. But that's his guitarist.
There's no way I can find a guitarist before tomorrow. We're not going to be able to play.
Ah, wait.
Huh?
I'll do it. I'll play.
Really? Yeah!
Oh.
Stella, you're a star. Practice today, after school.
But Stella, I didn't know you played the guitar. How come you never told us that?
Well, define play. I mean, maybe... Ugh. Okay then, I admit. I've never played the guitar, but it just came out, and I was gonna take it back. But then Mikey looked so happy. Besides, I've played the harp all my life. Guitar has way less strings. How difficult can it be? Hi guys! Hello!
Woohoo! You're here!
Woohoo!
Okay, no time to waste. Wait, where's your guitar?
I forgot it. I mean, it's being fixed. My previous gig got a bit intense.
Cool. Okay, you can use Leo's, but take it easy. You alright there?
Yeah, no worries. I'm cool.
Okay then. Let's rock and roll.
Just play like this.
Okay.
Stella, feel free to join in whenever you're ready. Stella?
I just need to use the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Just be quick. My dad's picking me up at 4.
Oh.
Okay, let's try again.
I think my phone's ringing.
I can't hear anything.
No, wait. I'm sure it was ringing. I better check, just in case. Where did I put it? It's in here somewhere. Dad? No, I can't talk now. I'm playing with my band. Yeah, gotta go, Dad. Bye. Ouch!
What now?
Ow! I think I just got stung by a bee.
A bee? It's December.
I know. Crazy, yeah? Maybe it was a Christmas bee, you know? 'Cause you should be merry.
Let Stella start with the intro.
Good idea.
Uh-huh.
Stage is yours.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Excuse me. Duty calls, Mikey. Time to go.
See you guys.
Hey, the gig is tomorrow.
The first act is Mikey and the Dudes. So please give them a big, big round of applause. Mikey and the Dudes.
Don't worry, she'll be here. Whoa, you're here. Come on, hurry, we're on. Wait, where's your guitar?
Oh. Out with a bang then.